Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about construction of isometric scale. Construction of isometric scale. In CBSE 11th and in 12th also, this question almost always comes. So you get marks of that, 5-6 marks. And secondly, in isometric projection you will need that scale. So it is just like hitting two birds by same stone. However, I don't like this proverb, hitting the birds. Yes, we can change it. It is just like hitting two objects by two stones. Marks you will get always, and secondly, it is needed for isometric drawing, isometric projection. There are two types of questions. If suppose isometric views are asked, so true lens you have to make, and by that you will get the final view somewhat bigger, because at 30-degree angle you have to make these views. So at an angle, if you will see any object, so all lens are shorter, but if you will make true lens, so the final object will be somewhat bigger, almost 20% bigger. And if in the question it is asked to make isometric projections, so correct isometric lens you have to make. So that you have to mention there also. So otherwise your marks will be cut. So how to make isometric drawing, and helping diagram also you make. So by helping diagram you get true lens of those particular items. So, suppose sphere or pentagon or hexagon, triangle, like that. But you have to calculate isometric lens, and then you have to make on your isometric projection on your sheet, that shortened lens. Okay, so I am telling you how to draw isometric scale. However, it is very small, very simple and small also, but so many people find trouble in that and doubts. Okay, it is very simple. You have to make first two lines, one at 45 degrees to horizontal and other 30 degrees to the horizontal. So this is horizontal. Take 0 here. This is 45 degree line and 45 degree to the horizontal. And this is 30 degrees to the horizontal. I am drawing here freehand. You have to draw by equipments, that mini drafters and other things. So this angles I will mention. So here's any number of graduations you could make, suppose 10 graduations. Okay, 6-7 graduations, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 graduations. Okay, so here also you will get 7 graduations in isometric scale. 10 graduations, so 10 graduations you will get, and any one graduation you have to divide into 10 parts. That is for mm. This is suppose centimeter, so in mm you have to divide by 10 parts, any one graduation, that I will tell you. Now you have to do nothing, just from each and every point you have to draw verticals which will cut this line, and those will be isometric lines. So first I am writing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 7. Board is small, but knowledge not, of course. So verticals we will draw. These all words will be from 4H pencil. Na? Final drawing. Here final drawing is a scale only. So that you make by HB. And now we will make just like scale. Scale is just like this much thick, this much wide. So take any width perpendicular to this, and so this will become your scale. However, this step is not necessary, but you should make it. So this is, you can say 0 dash, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, or here 1 dash, 2 dash, so here 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 dash, and 7 dash. Sorry, here cut is not required. So now suppose any one graduation you have to make for MMs. So you have to divide it into 10 parts. So suppose it is this. Okay. So I'm rubbing it for clarity. Now from here and here, 2 lines you draw. 1 line you take off any scale, 10 centimeter or whatever, 10 inches. Suppose here 10 centimeters I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is suppose 10. Now this one also you join. Okay. Now you have to divide this line. So parallel to this line, from each and every divisions here, you have to draw lines to cut this. Parallel to this. Parallel to this, है ना? Parallel to this. Remember, you have to draw by equipments. So these will be equally divided. Okay. So, and these all words will be of forest line. It will not be visible very much. So you got isometric length. Suppose 30 centimeter is your in your helping diagram, or any length is given. So this 30, and from this scale you could measure by the same scale how much it is. It may be 27 or 28 or isn't it? So instead of uh, uh, 30 centimeter I said, na? So 28.5 like that, है ना? Actually true length into 9 by 11 almost. Actually true length into cos 45 divided by cos 30. So this comes out to be 9 by 11, isn't it? So that much shorter the length are there in that isometric scale. So you don't have to calculate anything. So I will not recommend you to calculate each and every length because so many lengths are there, and in helping diagrams also so many lengths would arise. So every time if you will calculate, and you will not get nice figure, the correct figure, and data, and that errors will be large. So just you how much 30? So 30 you just see from that same scale. It may be 28.5 or 28.2 like that. So that you make in your final drawing. Okay. Thank you. Huh. Angle I am making here. This angle is 30 degree, and this angle is 45 degree. This is true scale. Like this also you could write. And this is isometric scale. Okay, thank you very much.